A lot of our editorial content comes from subject matter experts, various different thought leaders, analysts, and industry experts, and that's been a pleasure to have the people who are really vanguards in the industry talk to our audience and share their insight and experience and the cutting edge things that they're seeing. And it is my pleasure to be able to read those things and share them with our audience as well. In addition to a publication, we have on-site events. So we do a master data management and data governance event. We will be hosting a big data event this year. And so, you know, people think of us as a publication or just as a website, but really we have a whole bunch of other opportunities for networking and people to learn from each other. And so we know that people have so many ways to get information, and they're often overloaded with the information available to them, but our job is to make their time worthwhile and be able to get the most out of what it is that they're doing. So our events are another great way to network and really learn from your peers and each other, as well as subject matter experts. The main buzzwords in the industry right now are probably pretty predictable. Big data, of course. There's cloud, there's analytics, social data, those kinds of things. I would also like to add collaboration to that list. And then, of course, the main keywords on our website that we see, data modeling is huge. And so that's been around forever, and yet it's still as popular as ever for our readers. And that's great. Business intelligence and data visualization and virtualization and data warehousing, enterprise data warehousing, and information management in general, integration. All of the topics that people have been discussing for years and years are still valid and important, and people need to be educated about them. I'd say it's really important to find value in whatever you do, to bring value to the business, to your users, to your customers. Why are you doing what you do with whatever project or initiative or analysis or whatever it is that you're working on? Ask, why am I doing this? What's the worth? What makes it worthwhile, and what value is it going to add to the business? And my job is to help educate and inform and perhaps entertain you as you're trying to bring these concepts to your business and do the information work behind the scenes. But really ask why. Why am I doing this? So information management stopped publishing a print publication as of this past December, and as sad as I was to see the print publication go, it's really a joy to be able to be more agile and more flexible in terms of how we present content to our audience. And so for multimedia outlets, we do video, we do a weekly well, I don't want to say podcast, but it's an internet radio show called DM Radio, and that's an hour-long show held each Thursday. It's just a fun way to have a number of different people be interviewed for a few minutes, and then there's a round table at the end, so they all can duke it out if necessary, or just have a big discussion about what the topic at hand. And so that's always quite popular. We will be introducing a number of other multimedia offerings in the near future. We'll have 60 seconds with little whiteboard videos that we're really excited about, people giving the elevator pitch about difficult technical concepts, but doing so in 60 seconds. So we're excited about that. Toward the end of the year, we will have a number of other interactive digital ways to present editorial content and video and all of these things together. So be watching toward the end of 2012.